welcome to our YouTube channel. So, you are here together with us, Dassa buddy, who will inform you about the new technology. So, you probably already know what today's video is about? What do you really look for when designing a computer? Let's make a comparison between creating a technical computer and creating a budget computer and see what is really worth it. Before going to the video, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, press the subscribe button below and give a like to the video. And don't forget to watch and share with your friends. So, without further ado, let's get to today's video. The age-old debate in the tech world is whether to invest in a high-end PC or opt for a budget-friendly build. Both approaches have their merits, but the decision often boils down to understanding your priorities and use cases. Let's break this down into a simple, relatable story. The gamer's dilemma. Meet Alex, an avid gamer and content creator, and Sam, a casual gamer on a tight budget. Both decide to build PCs but take very different routes. Alex spends months researching components, aiming for the best. His high-end PC boasts a cutting-edge GPU, lightning-fast SSD, a high refrigerate monitor, and premium cooling systems. The total? A hefty $3,000. Sam, on the other hand, takes a practical approach. With only $800 to spend, he focuses on value. A mid-range GPU, a budget-friendly CPU, and an older but reliable motherboard. His setup is modest but functional. The experience difference. For Alex, every game runs smoothly at ultra settings, delivering breathtaking visuals and responsiveness. His workflow as a content creator is seamless. A 4K video rendering takes minutes instead of hours. Alex's PC isn't just a machine, it's a powerhouse that saves time and enhances experiences. The high price tag? Worth it for the long-term performance and enjoyment. Sam's PC tells a different story. While he can't max out settings on the latest AAA titles, he still enjoys gaming at medium to high settings with a solid 60 FPS. His system also handles everyday tasks like streaming, browsing, and light photo editing. Yes, there are occasional lags, and some upgrades may be needed sooner, but Sam is happy knowing he's getting good value for his investment. The long-term perspective. A high-end PC like Alex's is built to last. The premium components can handle new software and games for years without major upgrades. However, it's a large upfront cost, and over time some features may become overkill for casual use. Sam's budget PC, while initially cheaper, may require more frequent upgrades as technology evolves. Yet this incremental spending spreads out costs and gives him the flexibility to adapt his build gradually. Lessons learned. The value of building a high-end PC lies in its performance, longevity, and ability to handle intensive tasks effortlessly. It's ideal for gamers, professionals, or enthusiasts who demand top-tier experiences. Budget PCs, however, offer a gateway into the world of computing without breaking the bank. They're perfect for those who prioritize affordability and are willing to compromise on peak performance. The ultimate takeaway? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Building a PC is about understanding your needs, setting realistic expectations, and choosing components that align with your goals. Whether you're Alex or Sam, the best PC is the one that empowers you to do what you love. What do you think about creating a computer? Be sure to comment below. Also, you should take care to understand your needs and create a computer that suits you. This advice is important for you not only when designing a computer, but in many areas of life, even when choosing something you want. So what do you think of today's video? If it's good, definitely subscribe to the channel and give a like to the video. So, I'm saying goodbye for today, hoping to see you in a new video. Have a good day, everyone.